For chairs. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Gateway here and I hope you all have been well. So this reset is a little different because I'm starting this reset on a Saturday night, which is so unlike me, but it's pouring outside, it's so cozy, and I really want to change my bedroom according to the weather. So could not really wait for tomorrow. So it's going to be a Saturday reset that transitions to a Sunday reset. So let's get started. First things first, I need to change my bed sheets. Pink is cute, but I want something more fall coated and something that leans more cozier. I do have a floral bed sheet that I feel would literally work with browns, so I'm going to basically try and test it right now. And also I got these fall leaves because it looks like so pretty. I also did get another set of fall leaves, so I'm super excited. I do have more of this bunch, so I will put this up in my bedroom and then in my hall, and if I have some more left then I'll put this up in my bathroom as well. I don't know if it's just me, but I love decorating at nighttime. I just feel it has more cozy feel to it. Let me know if you guys feel the same as well. It's time for my nighttime skincare. I'm keeping things pretty simple. So I recently started using this cleanser and honestly it's already become my favorite. It's the Arencia Mochi Cleanser and the texture is just so unique and so extremely good. It feels so soft and bouncy. The best part is how gentle it is. It cleans my skin without stripping it at all, but still makes me feel super fresh. And then I'm applying a little bit of the Mars lip oil. Absolutely love this. You already know how much I love this toner. It's super calming and feels so refreshing. A new serum I have been enjoying is from L'Occitane. It's their overnight reset serum. It's got these golden bubbles which is infused with the mortar flower, which is so great for skin renewal. And also the texture is so lightweight, non-greasy, like you guys can see. I do have a discount code which is Gadrian10 if you guys are interested. Links will be in the description box. And for moisturizer, I'm sticking to the Minimalist B12 tonight. It's amazing for your skin's barrier and so perfect for this weather as well. Super nourishing without feeling greasy. For my hair, I like to use the Dove's hair serum. It's honestly perfect for nighttime. It keeps my ends really soft and smooth and I do not wake up with that super dry, tangled feel. And one more thing that I have been loving lately is to braid my hair at night. It's such a small step, but it makes such a big difference. My hair does not get tangled when I sleep. It stays way smoother and it also feels so comfortable to sleep in. My bedroom looks absolutely beautiful and I cannot wait to actually sleep. But before we do that, I really wanted to change this painting back here because it's just not vibing, and I have been so into browns lately, so I want to do something more fall coated and that will be more suitable for these ending months like September, October, November, December. And I did a thing, so I got done with this modeling art. I don't know if you guys can see through camera, but I'll show you in just a bit. I am super excited. I'm going to paint this browns, like all those fall brown colors. So let's get started.
can't sleep, so I'll see you tomorrow.
It's such a nice, gloomy, chilly weather. I literally love this kind of weather, and it's been happening a lot lately in Chennai, so I'm so happy. Anyway, for now, I'm craving to have pancakes, so I did get this. What happened? Oh, I did get this millet pancake from Slope Farm, and I'm trying it out for the first time. I just opened it. I have heard great reviews on this, so I really want to try it. Let's do a taste test. It's definitely different though, but it's really nice. It is millet, but it's also on the healthier side. So I love rewatching Gilmore Girls during from September to November. So I'm going to do that and have my breakfast.
You called him Duke for 2 years just to make him mad. And let me tell you, it worked. But eventually, time, just that same chance.
So I have a few things on my to-do list that needs to be taken care of. First things first is my chest of drawers. My drawer has been such a mess lately, so I need to clean that. And also the top section of my chest of drawers has the most random things on it, so I need to figure out something cute, like a cute decor that can be placed on top. I do have a few fall leaves that were left out, so I'm going to basically place them on top of my chest of drawers. Next is my makeup brushes. They have been holding so much of dust and leftover makeup, so they definitely need a good wash. And I also do need to pack giveaway boxes. That is going to take me some time as well, because I do need to pack 5 of them, so I do not want to overdo it, so I have just kept this much for today since I anyway woke up late. I'm also looking forward to ending the night with a nice pasta and movie night with my husband, so let's get the day started with. I absolutely love the way this turned out. The frame is empty though, so whenever I get time, I'm going to paint something and put it up. brushes look horrible, you guys, and I need to fix it. But I was also looking at this one clean your makeup brushes type of reel, and it looks super fancy, like to use a soap, like a bar soap. So I am thinking of doing that. I am actually trying it out for the first time, so I'll let you guys know if that really works. So my final verdict on the bar soap method is that it does work. Like, I do feel like my makeup brushes were a lot more cleaner with this method compared to the other method that I was using. In fact, it also felt like I was doing it wrong this whole time. So I don't know, like, try it out for yourselves and let me know if you guys feel the same. This is just my personal take, and I think I might stick to this. Like, I'll keep this bar soap just for my makeup brushes and nothing else. For now, I'm going to pack the giveaway boxes. I know, like, it's been a while and you guys have been waiting for your giveaway, but I just wanted to include this in this vlog, so hence the delay. I do have all the products with me, so mostly it will be shipped out today itself. And I love writing personalized notes. I'm going to write that now. It's just my little way of connecting to you guys, and I am truly so grateful for each one of you. So thank you for being here. So the giveaway boxes have been packed. I will ask my husband to send someone over so that these could be shipped out to you. I am still left with taping and putting in these notes as well, so I'll just do that in just a bit. For now, I do have a brand collab that I need to work on, so I need to focus my time on that so that I can wrap everything up pretty quick. So yeah, that will take me some time, so see you in some time. It's finally time to hit the gym after avoiding it the entire last week, and it's high time I, get going and complete my steps. But before going to the gym, I know that I will be heading in for an everything shower. So I have been recently using the L'Adore scalp scaling spa treatment all over my scalp. I would normally keep this on for just 10 minutes, but today, since it being reset day, I like to keep it on for 30 minutes. And also I'm putting on the almond hair oil from Wishcare just on my lens. nights like this, I love going in with a face mask, and today I'm going in with the red bean pore clay mask. It's literally perfect this season. It gently exfoliates and does not dry out my skin like at all. I'm going to leave this on for around 10 minutes, dry my hair, and then I'll see you. Sundays are meant for junk and everything that you have been craving. So we have been eating like clean this entire week, and I have been craving for pasta. So tonight we are going to be making that. My husband has already cut the vegetables that's required, like just onions, garlic, and chilies. I also did find this super easy recipe on Pinterest. Normally I would take like 1 hour to make pasta, but now I think with this recipe it's just going to be like a breeze. So let's get cooking. The movie was everything. It was so nostalgic to me. Literally felt like I was reliving my childhood. Before I go to bed, I am planning to get done with my current read. I also did get a new book. It's called The Cinnamon Bun Bookstore, and it looks so cute and cozy. Cannot wait to start reading this, but I need to get done with my current book. I really wish I can finish the last few pages in here, but realistically I do not see that happening. So I'm just going to read for around 10 to 15 minutes and call it a night. Gotten the time to call someone over to put my painting on top, but I'll probably do that tomorrow or day after, and I'll post it on my stories, so make sure you are following me there as well. Let me know what you guys think. By the way, I really love the painting, the way this painting turned out. I'm so proud of myself. Anyway, that is it, you guys, for my fall reset. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Comment this emoji if you guys enjoyed, and subscribe if you haven't. I will see you next week.